Hello guys, welcome back to Pokemon. Today we'll be opening a mini tin of Paldean Fates. These are quite new products. I've already half opened it, so yeah, these are quite newish products. We've got the Flamingo one here, or whatever its name is. Looks like a flamingo. You get in it a card that tells you all about the Pokemon on the back. It's part of the artwork. It's really good. And you get a sticker, and you get your 2 packs of Paldean Fates. With that, let's get on with the video. So we're going to start off with the Donzo pack. These packs have gave me a lot of luck. I'm trying to pull an SIR. Hopefully I can just get one, because I've been looking for quite a while since the set was released. To tell the truth, Varoom, Mankey, Magmar, Nimona, Ultra Ball, Primeape, Whimsicott. First one, anything behind that? Rubat and a Hollow Mastiff. It's quite nice hollow. So this is the last pack of Paldean Fates in this video. We will definitely be opening some more on the channel, so don't worry about it, okay? Got Ghastly. Got Paldean Student. We've got I can't read that. Rubat, Whimsicott, Scraffy, Gengar. First one. Fido and another Hollow Houndstone. Quite a nice hollow. So 2 hollows. Hopefully next time we're opening Paldean Fates, we can get something a bit better. Hopefully an SIR. But I'm really happy with these hollows. The tin had absolutely great stuff in it. And this is a nice, it just feels really nice. Pokemon is getting real good at like the texture of everything. And with that, see you guys next time.